Got a little Evo in front of us. Are they all-wheel drive? Or are they rear-wheel drive? Guess we'll find out. If he can make it this far, I guess he's all-wheel drive. But the Durango's pretty good in the snow. 2022 Durango RT. Handles pretty well. Thanks to the all-wheel drive. Woo, we had a spin out there. Alright, maybe I spoke a little too soon. No, but it's pretty good. If you give it power in the right times, you will have no problem driving this car in -degree weather as we're having this weekend. Could be better though. I've driven cars that are definitely much better with all-wheel drive. I think the Durango's my least favorite. I don't know if it's because of the tires that we got on here, the all seasons, or it's just the size of the Durango, but maybe it's the tire pressure. Because usually it's 36, but since it's cold, it's 30, but I don't know. Shouldn't it be like 32 or something, 33? It's a little too low. 30, it was like 27 last night, but it was like much colder last night. Still, that seems a little dramatic to me. Like the molecules aren't that, like, come on. Otherwise, the handling, acceleration, pretty good. Pretty good. Just on turns, or when it comes to braking, it is not the best of the best. Maybe I gotta get some winter tires so I don't complain. But the roads are looking very clear, at least the main roads. Hopefully it warms up ASAP so we can get back to normal living. Let's not go too fast in case we get stopped at a red light and we have to brake quickly. Because it ain't a problem going fast in the snow, but it becomes a problem when you gotta stop at a blink of an eye and you floor the pedal and you're not going anywhere. See, like right now, pretty good braking just because the roads are very clear. But if there was black ice on here, whew, I'd be in the intersection right now. I swear this car already has transmission problems. Got it brand new off the lot, and the transmission is just jerking. I don't know if Dodge just didn't take their time on this car or what, but the quality of this car, it's a good ride, smooth ride. The engine, very strong engine, but the transmission, Dodge transmission, I think they have a problem getting that one right. No Mopar that I've driven has a good transmission. Hellcat, Scat Pack, they're all very sensitive. The transmission that actually came on this car and in my Scat Pack when I had it, but it went away after like 2 or 3 drives. It said that the transmission slipped, and I'm like, why did it slip at 1,000 miles? You know, you shouldn't have it slipping. But that is what it is. I don't know if that little fart can be heard on the mic, but nice. No. No, no, no. Is that guy gonna stop?